Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about the addition and subtraction of the fraction. Okay, and it is very easy topic. It is very easy topic as you have done the comparison of two fractions. Like this way you have to do it. Okay, so first of all we are starting with the addition of the fraction. Okay, so suppose I'm taking two fractions or two more than two fractions also you can add by the same way. Okay, suppose I'm taking two fractions 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Okay, so what is the rule to add this fraction? So first of all you have to find out the LCM of the denominators. You have to find out the LCM of the denominators. Okay, what is the LCM? 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So what is the LCM? 24. So first of all what we have done? We have done the LCM of the denominators of these given fraction. And what is the LCM? LCM is 24. And this LCM you have to find out in the rough. Okay. So first of all you have to take a line this much big, and then this LCM you have to write as denominator. Now what have to do? Now this LCM you have to divide by the first denominator. This LCM you have to divide by the first denominator. So that means 24 divides 6. That means 6 4 is 24. 6 4 is 24. So 4 into its numerator. Okay, then plus. Here same thing you have to do. First of all LCM, that means 24 divide by this denominator, that means 24 divide 8 equals to what? 24 divide 8 equals to what? 8 3 is 24. Now this 3 into its numerator 7. Okay, very easy. So 4 5 are 20, 7 3 are 21 by 24. Now 41 by 24. Now if it will be cut, then you have to cut it, otherwise it's the answer. Okay, very easy. Now what we have done, again once we will see here what we have done here. First of all we have to find out the LCM of the denominators, that is what? 24. Then you have to take a line, then as denominator we have to write the LCM. This 24 we have to write here. Now you have to divide this 24 by the first denominator, that you have got 4, and 4 into its numerator 5, plus this plus, then 24 divide 8 equals to what? 3, then 3 into its numerator 7. So 4 5 is 20, 3 7 is 21, 21 plus 20 41, 41 by 24. Now if it will be cut, then you have to cut it, otherwise it is the answer. But here you can see it is, denominator is less than the numerator, so you must convert into mixed fraction. Okay, so 24 1 is 24, 7 carry 1, 3 17 by 24. So this is the answer. Okay, now I'm taking another question. We have taken here two fractions. Suppose we are taking three fractions. Suppose we have to add. So what I have to do? Same thing you have to do, same process you have to do as we have done here. So first of all we have to find out the LCM of the denominator. So what is the LCM? 2 5 10 5. Find out the LCM, and this LCM you have to find out in the rough. So 2 1 is 2, 5 2 5 is 10, 5. So 5 1 is 5, sorry 5 1 cannot be divided, then 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 1 is 5. So what is the LCM? 10. So you have to take a line here. Then 10, this LCM you have to write as denominator. Then what have to do? You have to divide this 10 by the first denominator, that is 2 5s are 10, then 5 into its numerator plus, then 5 2s are 10, then 2 into its numerator plus 10 1 ja 10 1 into its numerator plus 5 2 ja 10 2 into its numerator. So 5 5 ja 25 3 2 ja 6 7 1 ja 7 2 1 ja 2 25 plus 6 31 31 7 38 38 and 2 40. Now 10 4 ja 40, so 4 is the answer. Okay, so first of all you will pause the video to note it down, then we will have some another types of example. Now we have taken some another types of example. Okay, so what I have to do here, also I have to do addition, but here you are given some mixed fraction here. So first of all, this mixed fraction you have to convert into improper fraction. First of all, the mixed fraction you have to convert into improper fraction. How to convert? 5 3s are 15 plus 1 diagonally multiply, then add with the numerator. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3. Here 2 1s are 2 plus 3 5 by 2. Okay, now what I have to do, same thing as you have done in the previous question. So first of all, LCM of the denominators, what will be the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. Now divide 6 by the first denominator, that means 3 2 ja 6, so 16 into 2, then plus, then 6 divide 2, that means 2 3 ja 6, so 3 into 5, 16 2 ja 32, 5 3 ja 15 by 6, 7 47 by 6. Now denominator is less than the numerator, so you have to convert into again mixed fraction. So 7 ja 42, 5. Okay, now this question, when you are having this type of question here, it's a natural number or whole number, then what I have to do? So first of all, it's given in mixed fraction, so convert into improper fraction. 7 3 are 21 plus 1, 22 by 7. Now here only 5 is given, so whenever you will have this type of number, that means this number you have to take as numerator. This type of whole number you have to take as numerator at the time of addition and at the time of multiplication, at the time of subtraction, at the time of division also. Okay, at the time of division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, anything you are doing, whenever you will get this type of number, only single number, that means the single number you have to take as numerator of the fraction, and this is the numerator of the fraction. So what will be the denominator? So in that case, in this type of case, numerator you have to take, denominator you have to take as 1. Suppose 5 only, so you can write 5 as 5 by 1. Suppose 6, we can write it as 6 by 1. Okay, any whole number or any natural number you can write as like this with the denominator 1. Okay, so what is the LCM of 7 and 1? It's obviously 7. Okay, now 7 1 ja 7, so 22 1 ja 22, 22 into 1, 1 7 ja 7, 7 divide 1 equals to what? 7. So in that case, mostly students used to do mistake here. They used to do 5 into 1. Try to understand. We are dividing 7 divide 1, 7 divide 1, and we are getting what? 7. So 7 into 5. Okay, now 22 plus 7 5 ja 35 by 7, so 757. Now denominator is less than the numerator, so convert into mixed fraction. Okay, 7 8 ja 56 plus 1 57. Okay, so these are the addition of the fraction. So first of all, you will pause the video to note it down, then we will go to the subtraction of the fraction. Now we will do the subtraction of the fraction. Okay, and what is the rule, how to solve? Same thing, same process we have to use here as we have done for the addition. Okay, so what I have to do, suppose we are solving first question number 1. So what I have to do, first of all, we have to check if there is any mixed fraction. So first of all, I have to convert it into improper fraction. So here it is given in improper fraction, no problem. Wherever proper or improper, no problem. but here it is given mixed fraction. So first of all, this mixed fraction you have to convert into improper fraction. So 9 by 7, this minus, and 14 1 ja 14 plus 2, 16 by 14. Now what have to do? You have to find out the LCM of these denominators. That means LCM of 7 and 14 is what? 14. Now 7 2 ja 14, 2 into 9 minus 14 1 ja 14, so 1 into 16. Now 9 2 ja 18, 16 1 ja 16 by 14, 2 by 14. Now 2 by 14 can be cut. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. So what is the answer? 1 by 7 is the answer. Clear? Same thing, same process we have to do for addition, subtraction as we have done for the addition. But at the time of addition, we were adding these two numbers, and at the time of subtraction, we are subtracting these two numbers. Okay. Now here, what have to do? You can see here 4 is a whole number, or you can say natural number also. So whenever you are having like this single number, so you can write it as the fraction with denominator 1. Okay. Now minus, and it is given mixed fraction, so convert into improper fraction first. 3 2 ja 6, 6 and 4, 10 by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 6 and 4, 10 by 3. Now LCM of 3 and 1, what? 3. Now 1 3 ja 3, that means 3 divide 1 equals to what? 3 divide 1 is equals to what? 3. So 3 multiply its numerator, that means 4, minus 3 1 ja 3, so 1 into 10. So 4 3 ja 12, 10 1 ja 10, 3, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 10, that means 2 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. So these are the addition and subtraction of the integers. Now we will see some critical example. Whenever we will have the addition and subtraction together, then what have to do? So first of all, pause the video to note it down, then we will go forward. Now we have taken an example which is having addition and subtraction together. You can see here it is addition, then subtraction, then addition, then subtraction. Together we are having. So at that time, what have to do? Then at that time we can think it as simplification. Simplification. Very easy. In that time, whenever we are having addition and subtraction, not only addition and subtraction, whenever we will have addition, subtraction, or multiplication, division all together, in that case also you have to think it as simplification. Okay. So what is the rule of the simplification? The rule of the simplification already we have known. BODMAS. Okay. So B stand for what? Bracket. O stand for what? Off. D stand for what? Divide. M stand for what? Multiply. Okay. A stand for what? Add. A stand for subtract. Okay. This is the Badmash rule, and this Badmash rule is used for only simplification. That means only at the time of simplification we can use the Badmash rule. And how to use this Badmash rule? That means first of all B, that means we have to do first work of bracket. Then after bracket we have to do the work of off. Okay. Then after off you have to do the work of divide. That means division. Then after division you have to do the work of M, that means multiplication. After multiplication you have to do the work of A, addition. And after addition you have to do the work of S, that means subtraction. So according to the Badmash rule, we are having addition first, then subtraction. So first of all you have to do addition here, then you have to do subtraction. Is that clear to all? So first of all you will pause this thing only, then we will start. So already we have seen, according to the Badmash rule, first of all you have to add. So all the fractions that are in addition we have to take together, and all the subtraction, all the fractions that are in negative sign we have to take together. And how to make separate them, that those are having positive and those are having negative. The fraction which is having in front of them negative, that fraction will be the negative fraction, and the fraction which is having the positive sign in front of them, that will be the positive fraction. So first of all we are taking like this only. Okay, so first of all 5 by 6, before 5 by 6 no sign, so that means this is positive, and positive fractions we are taking first. Okay, so then before 7 by 3 it's also positive, so we are taking 7 by 3. Then after that before 2 whole 1 by 3 also positive, so again we are taking this one, 2 and 1 by 3. Then after that before this fraction you are having what, minus, so all the positive fractions we have taken, now we have to take negative fraction. So what is the negative fraction here? Before this fraction it is negative, and before this it is negative. So before this fraction it is negative, means minus 1 whole 2 by 2, and this one also minus 3. Now you can see all the fractions we have arranged according to the addition and subtraction. First of all you have to keep addition, then you have to keep subtraction. Now after the subtraction, whenever you can see from this fraction, subtraction is used to start from this fraction, so that what I have to do, after the first minus sign you have to take a bracket, after the first minus sign you have to take a bracket, then you have to close the bracket at the last position of the number. And after arranging this thing, after arranging this addition and subtraction, you have to do this thing. You cannot do here. After arranging addition and subtraction separate, you have to do this thing. And what is the thing we have done here? After the first minus and before the fraction, we have taken a bracket and we have closed the bracket. We have closed the bracket where after ending all the number. You can see after 3 we have closed the bracket. Now within the bracket, all the minus sign you have to change into plus. That means the sign which are having inside of the bracket, the negative sign which are having inside of the bracket, that all negative sign you have to change into plus sign. That means in the bracket, within the bracket we are having only one minus sign, so one minus sign you have to change into plus, and this is the rule. And what is the rule? Actually this rule we will know in the senior classes, and this rule is called, that means we are doing here what, we are taking the minus sign common, but in this class we are not having this any term like minus sign we can take common. Okay, so that we will do like this directly. And what is the, and how to do it? First of all, after the first minus sign, after arranging plus and minus, after that, after the first minus sign and before the fraction, you have to take a bracket and you have to close the bracket after all the numbers, and then within the bracket the negative sign, all the negative sign you have to take plus. Within the bracket only, all the negative sign you have to change into plus. Okay, now here we have to do, now you can see here mixed fractions are there some. So first of all you have to change into improper fraction. So 5 by 6 same as it is, 7 by 3 same as it is. Now 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 minus, here 2 1 ja 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, and now 3 we can write it as 3 by 1. Okay, now here we will do what? Here we will do addition. Whenever we have put it the plus, we have changed into plus sign, then we will do here addition, and here we will do what? Addition also. Then we will do subtract the both numbers. So first of all we are adding this first 3 fractions. So what will be the LCM here? What will be the LCM here? 6 3 3. What will be the LCM? 6. Now first of all 6 1 ja 6, so 1 into 5 plus 3 2 ja 6, 2 into 7 plus 3 2 ja 6, 2 into 7. Okay, bracket, then minus sign, then 2 and 1, what is the LCM? 2. Now 2 1 ja 2, so 1 into 4 plus 1 2 ja 2, 2 into 3. So whenever we have used a small bracket, so this bracket we have to change into curly bracket. Now 5 1 ja 5, 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14 by 6, minus 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 2 ja 6. Now 14 14, 28, 28 plus 5, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33 by 6, minus here 4 plus 4 plus 6, 10 by 2. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So what is the LCM of 6 and 2? It's obviously 6. Now 6 1 ja 6, so 1 into 33, then minus 2 3 ja 6, so 3 into 10, so that means what, 33 into 1 I'm writing here. Okay, after that we can do what, 33 minus 30 by 6, so that means what, 3 by 6. Now 3 2 ja 6, so 1 by 2 is the answer. So whenever you will have addition and subtraction together, then you have to think it as simplification. So these are the addition and subtraction of the fraction, and in next class we will do about the multiplication and division of the fractions. And thank you for watching my video.